What is up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel of Absolute Rebuilds. Today we're going to work again on our square body Chevrolet C20 pickup truck.
We're going to try to install the shift linkage. We're also going to try to install the steering column as well. And what we're also going to do is try to install the brakes so we can put this Chevrolet out for a small test drive.
Okay guys, so we installed the steering linkage. We also installed the shift linkage as well. Now we're going to try to install the brakes. Okay guys, so we tried to bleed the brakes and unfortunately that didn't work out at all. Apparently the divider in the front that divides the front, the rear, the left and the right is completely rusted out and completely stuck. So we need to order some parts again, and unfortunately we cannot drive this beautiful truck in this video. Hopefully we can do a small test drive in our next video. Guys, if you like our videos, make sure to like, subscribe and comment down below. Also make sure that your post notifications are on as well. And YouTube, I want to thank you very much for being a supporter of our channel. We reached the 200 subscribers. Thank you very much for all the love and support.
Hope they won't shoot me down soon.